Hello students, today again I am here with a new topic of your English literature book, that is Dorothy Meets Munchkins. Before starting this chapter, I would like to tell you all to subscribe our new school channel, St. Xavier School Hardoi, and like and share the videos as much as possible. So now let's start the topic. This is a story of a little girl who was living in a Kansas with her aunt M and uncle Henry, as she does not have their parents, her parents. She was orphan, so they both took care of her. So the story is of a little girl and his friend. Her friend means her friend was a dog. Name was Toto. So this story is based on. So let's start the story. Before starting the story, I would like to tell you about this story has been taken from the Book of Oz. That is a novel which is written by American author L. Frank Baum. Okay, so this is a story about munchkins, those who were the citizen of imaginary land, that is called Oz, land of Oz. And this imaginary land was imagined by this American author, and first it comes in the in children's novel, the first children's novel, that was The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. And here the citizen was all imaginary citizen. They were not so big, not so small, they are just of the size of 10 to 8 to 10 years old child. They are having a same height what height a 10 or 8 years child is having. They used to wear a strange type of clothes, long coat, and they used to wear a, uh coned cap, like the cap what you are wearing on your birthday. It is having a cone. Okay, it is in a shape of cone. So they used to wear that type of cone cap. How this girl, Dorothy Gale, reached over there along with her friend Toto. So this story is based on that, how and why the people of Munchkins welcomed her over there. So this we'll come to know with the in this story. First, I would like to tell you some difficult words and their meanings. Prairies are the grassland where field is covered with grass. Glum, sad. Midst means middle of the land. Stern and Stolman means strict and serious. Merely means with pleasure, pleasurely. Terrible means fearful. Uprooting means making something off its root. Means something is fallen down on the earth from its root only. Like plants used to fell down and roots used to come out from the land. Rilled, moved very fast in circle. Okay, like as a uh, like how can I say ki, as the tap used to move, in that way something is moving in the air, that is called rill. Halt, sound of crying aloud, means screamed loudly, someone is crying, that is called halt. Cradle, cradle means nursing, pampering someone. Fright, fear, swaying, moving from one side to another side, as you are sitting in a swing and moving, come forward, going forward and coming backward, that is called swaying. Amazement, amazement means great surprise, means like you get a biggest surprise. Cyclone, a strong storm. murmured, whisper, speak in a soft voice so that only you can listen, or to whom you are saying in his or her ears, he or she can listen. Nobody else can listen. Whisper means like very softly you have to say. No one else can listen the things. Radiant, bright and glowing. Oddly, unusually. Tinkle, to make a high ringing sound, like something is ringing, like doorbell is ringing, then that is called tinkle. Sprang, jumped off of a place with a lot of energy. When you are putting full energy and taking a jump, that is called sprang. At her heel, to closely follow someone, means putting on your heels, like no sound should come. You are walking in a very soft manner so that no one can guess that someone is coming. That is called move at her heel. Now next is, now the story is here. This is the story of a girl. Here you see, this is Uncle Henry. This is Aunt Henry, Aunt M. And this is little girl Dorothy, and it is a pet dog. And Dorothy's friend, its name was Toto. So Mr. Henry, Mrs. M, a little Dorothy, and a little dog Toto. So name you all got. Who is he? He is Mr. Henry, Uncle Henry. Who is she? She is Mrs. M, Dorothy's aunt, Aunt M. And who is he? It is a dog. Its name was Toto, and this little girl is Dorothy. So all of you understood? Now they all are living in a single room house. Only there is only one room in a house. They were living in that house. She used to play with her dog all the time. Uncle Henry was very hardworking, but he never used to laugh. He never used to talk somebody. He used to do always. He's very strict and very serious. Always. He is not talking to anyone. He was just busy in his work, and he is taking good care of her niece, that is Dorothy. And same is with Aunt Henry. She also always busy in her household work, but she is taking good care of Dorothy. But they never used to play with Dorothy. They used to they always used to busy in their own work. They never used to play with Dorothy. They never used to share some things with Dorothy, even though they were not laughing or smiling with Dorothy. So she feels sometimes loneliness, alone. Then she got a friend, that is Toto, and always she used to busy with Toto, and Toto used to make Dorothy laugh. Because of Toto only, she used to play, she used to be happy, and she used to be laugh with Toto. One day she was playing with Toto, and suddenly their uncle Henry and Aunt Am saw that there was a great storm is coming. So they both were warned Dorothy, don't go anywhere, be outside of the house only, because this is very strong cyclone is coming. They may be uprooting the trees, they may be uprooting the house even. So don't get in. But suddenly the Toto dog, Dorothy's friend Toto, got scared with the cyclone, and he went inside the house. When he went inside the house, Dorothy heard her uncle that he said that do not go inside the room. But still Toto has gone in, so she also gone at the back of Toto inside the house. They told Dorothy not to go in, not to go in, but she what to do? She used to be her friend. She cannot leave her friend alone over there. So she went along with her friend Toto. Suddenly, what happened? Suddenly, what happened? The cyclone came and it uprooting the house from the land. Now land is getting up. You see in this picture, the land is uprooting, like the house was uprooting, means it is go ever from the ground. Now here in second picture you see, here the Toto was coming out of the window in scaredness only, in he got frightened and he came out of the window. Then suddenly at once Dorothy caught him, and he caught him and she caught him and get it in the home. Now after some times only, few seconds only, the house was with the cyclone. It was riddled with the cyclone and it is going up in the air. Now here you see the full ground was uprooting from there and house was kept on the ground. That full, it is just looking like a basket and it is uprooting the house, and now house was flying in the air. When the house was in the air, you see, when the cyclone stopped, when it stopped, they reached on the a very good place. That is very beautiful land, and it is called the land of Oz, the wonderful Oz. So where he reached, when the cyclone stopped, she gets scared, and when she came out of the house, she saw a beautiful sight was there in front of her eyes. She was very pleased. She was very, it was just amazing. It was just amazing, and she was just looking very happy. What a kind of land, what a beauty it is. So she was so happy. And at once she saw some strange people are coming towards her. Why they are coming? So one of the lady came towards her, and she said, what she said, welcome young girl, welcome to our land. It was the witch of north came towards to her and said, welcome my girl, welcome my child, you are so lucky for us. We are very too much grateful to you. We are very glad to see you here. Oh, thank you so much. She said, why to say thank you? What I did? I did nothing. And what place is this? She informed that it is a land of Oz and we are Munchkins. We are a people of Munchkins. You are on the land of Munchkins now. Oh, who are you? They said, we all are magical people. We know magic. We are wizards. So said, so why you are welcoming? She said, we are welcoming you because you see here. Then she brought her over here. You see, this is a land is like Wizard of North, and she is showing that you see here your house is kept on a witch of East. Now, this is a witch of East who was very cruel. Now, she is killed under your house, and now we are free from her evil, free from his bad evils, like bad habits. She was just irritating us. She was just always, she is disturbing us. We are in problem, we are in trouble because of witch of east. Now she is killed. That is why we are welcoming you in the land of Munchkins, land of Oz. So this is the story. As Dorothy's house was kept down on the land, and under that the witch of east was killed. That is why the people of Munchkin welcomed her, and they were very grateful to Dorothy. So this was the story. Now students, let's do some activity based on this story. What was the name of Dorothy's friend? Who was Dorothy's friend? M or Toto? Yes, Toto was Dorothy's friend. Who was Toto? A dog or a cat? Yes, Toto was a dog. Who was the what? How was the nature of Uncle Henry? He was very joyful or strict and serious? Yes, he was strict and serious. Who made Dorothy's love? Aunt Em or Toto? With whom she used to play? She used to play with Toto. So she who made Dorothy laugh? Toto made Dorothy laugh. Who was grateful to Dorothy? Uncle Henry or people of Munchkins? Yes, people of Munchkins. Good. Now let's move to the another activity. Fill in the blanks with the given help box. Aunt Em took dash care of Dorothy. Which kind of care she used to take? House, amazement, Kansas, or good? Yes, good care of Dorothy. Now, Uncle Henry and Aunt Em lived with Dorothy in the prairies of Kansas. Yes, very good. The little girl Dorothy gave a cry of house amazement munchkins. Cry of amazement. You are most welcome to the land of munchkins. Very good. The cyclone had set the what? House. House down. So students, this was the story. So all the best and thank you so much.